Sweetie Pie, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. I am actually, it's the long weekend. It is, Sunday of the long weekend, and we're gonna go kayaking today, but it has been so hot. So I knew I wanted to film today. I wanted to film a couple just sit down and talk videos. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go into my filming room, which is always really warm, and I'm going to do my makeup, and I'm gonna take as long as I want. And this is the look I have on today. I haven't taken any pictures of it yet or anything, but yeah, I put on a clear gloss. Can't remember, I think it was like LA Colors gloss, really cheap. It's like the only clear gloss I own because every clear gloss is kind of the same in my opinion. But yeah, and then I put some of the, what was it? It was like one of those iridescent highlighters. I'm looking down because they're like right over there. Oh yeah, it was the Master Holographic? Yeah, Master Holographic. Anyways, so today we're going to do a video that what I was doing was I was searching on Google for some tag videos that I could do, because like I don't really get stale of ideas, but I don't want to have to constantly be buying things to be making good content. I want to branch out and do some other stuff. So this is how I want to do this. It's going to be 50 questions in 15 minutes or less, and the lady that did this tag, that created this tag, I'm not sure. I will try and link that as well down below. There were a lot of people that had done this tag like a while ago, and I don't know, I've been in a tag mood lately, and I want to tell you guys some stuff about me, and it's nice to have questions just like right there in front of you. So let's get into this. I want to do this in 15 minutes, so I'm going to set a timer on my phone. Beep, 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 alright, so I have started it with 16 minutes. That'll give me enough time to like go back, get the questions, and start. Here we go. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, first question is, what are you wearing? I am wearing a top that I really love, and I wish I could have got more of it in the shot. And then a pair of, let's just move it back. A pair of shorts. All right then. Whee! This should be an interesting video. All right, next question is, have ever been in love? Yes, of course, I am absolutely in love with my husband. We're not currently like married, but we've been together for it's probably 14 years now. I always get confused if it's 13 or 14. I met him when I was 15. He was 18 at the time. You know, if you'd like a story time on that, I could totally do that. But yeah, we've been together ever since. So yeah, anyways, ever had a terrible breakup? We've broken up a few times in our younger days. When you are really young and you choose to stay with someone for as long as we've been together, yes, there were a few times where we would fight so badly, and that hasn't happened for the last 5 years or so. But in the beginning, every marriage, every relationship, everything is hard. Don't believe anybody that doesn't say it isn't. Or when you move in together, since we did move in together maybe a year into it. So yeah, you know what I mean. Anyway, so next question, how tall are you? I think I'm like 5'6", in that realm. My husband is about 6'1", and yeah, it's quite a difference. So I'm gonna say about 5'6". How much do you weigh? Probably 180 pounds right now. This is probably the heaviest I've been in the last 10 years, but I'm really trying to eat healthier now, and yeah, that is the plan for that one. Oh goodness, waste my time. We're on 13 minutes 42 seconds. Any tattoos? I have one on my back that says "Missing You, Papa," because my grandfather died of lung cancer, and yeah, he was a painter just like I am. Always wear a mask. And yeah, so I got a tattoo. It has a fishing rod, and in the reel it says "Missing You, Papa." And then my other tattoo is from a movie that is dear to my heart, Moulin Rouge, and it says "Come What May" with a rose on it, like going whoop. I might like insert some pictures if I can. Any piercings? I had my nose pierced for like quite a few years, and then I have like 2, maybe 3 holes in my ears just here. Other than that, no, I was too scared to. Anyways, okay, so OTP. Is that like on the pill? Let me check. Oh, okay, one true pair. Daenerys and Jon Snow. There you go. Next question is... Any tattoos, any piercings, favorite show. My favorite show is Game of Thrones and Jersey Shore. I love Jersey Shore. Oh my gosh. I used to be such a fan. I think that the whole thing is really crazy, but I'm such a fan. Anyways, favorite band. Ooh, favorite band. I don't really have a favorite band. I loved Good Charlotte growing up, and I still love their music, but I don't have a real passion for music. I have more of a passion for shows and, you know, biographies and that kind of stuff. I don't listen to a lot of music when I'm at work either. I usually listen to like either my favorite show or I listen to a podcast, you know, stuff like that. Anyways, holy, I don't know if I'm going to make it. Let's see how much time I have left. 10 minutes. Okay, I gotta start flying through these questions. Something you miss. I miss how me and my little brother used to be so close. Favorite song? Favorite song. Forget About Dre, Eminem. Let's see here. How old are you? I'm 28. Zodiac sign? Ooh, I'm Scorpio. Quality you look for in a partner? To have fun with. I really think that that's important. I really have a lot of fun with Matt, and we, you know, are good together even in large doses. So yeah, that's it. Favorite actor? Ooh, favorite actor. I love the guy. I'm very bad with names, and I'll put his name right here, but it is the guy that plays on Game of Thrones. He's the imp. He is Tyrion Lannister. I love him as an actor. Oh my god. I really love Game of Thrones, but I love him as an actor, and I also love Will Smith as an actor. Oh my goodness. Anyways, let's see here. Favorite color? Pink. My backgrounds have like all been pink this week, and I just realized that I have so many pink backgrounds. I love pink. Pink everything. I'm gonna put my hair up because it's getting warm in here. But yes, I love pink. Loud music or soft? I can, soft for me. Soft music, soft. Where do you go when you're sad? Where do I go when I'm sad? Usually my bed. How long does it take you to shower? 10 minutes. How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? Ooh, hour-ish, and I'm a house painter, but I love doing my makeup in the morning. So, like, if you're talking the whole thing, like an hour. Turn on or turn off? Like, 24 is turn on. I don't get it. And turn off, okay, well, if I'm picking between one or the other, turn on. Whoop. I hate when my screen changes. The reason I joined YouTube, to meet people and to be able to share that I loved beauty and all that kind of stuff. Like, I wanted people to talk like with beauty about, you know, because there's like nobody in my town. Fears, I'm afraid of dying alone, for sure. That's always been a thing when I was young. I'm afraid of change. I don't like changing much of anything about my life. I have a very, you know, routine. I love routine. Last thing that made you cry? Last thing that made me cry. The last thing that actually made me cry was my niece coming over at 2 o'clock in the morning to tell me that her stepmom, you know, was mean to her and that she had run away. That made me cry. Last time you said you loved someone. My Maddie, of course. Literally every night before we go to bed, we're like, I love you. He's still sleeping right now, but we do it all the time. Anyways, meaning behind your YouTube name. Sweetie Pie. Okay, so Sweetie Pie kinda came from PewDiePie. And like, I don't know, something about it, I was like, you know what, I love that. Like, and I used to call I used to babysit a lot, and every child I babysat, I was always like, come on, Sweetie Pie, like, oh, I love you, sweetie, like, stuff like that. That's where it came from. Not like super dramatic or anything. Last book you read, oh my goodness, what was the last book I read? I was reading The Twilight's Over. Oh no, The Cursed Child. I can't remember if it was written by J.K. Rowling or not, but it's like a Harry Potter novel that kind of continues the saga a little bit. The book you're currently reading. I'm not reading one. Oh, that's bad. Last show you watched. Last show I watched would be Drag Race. I have never watched Drag Race before, and I started with season 2. Season 2 was the first season I saw, and that's the last show I watched. I watched the whole season. Blah, 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 blah. Let's check the time. We've got 6 minutes. Last person you talked to, the last person I talked to was Matt. Favorite foods. Ooh, the reason, relationship between you and the person you last texted. Oh, my boss, Craig. Hi! Favorite food. What is my favorite? I love yogurt and granola. Oh my gosh, with grapes in it. Oh my goodness. Last place you were. Last place at Walmart. Place you want to visit, Egypt. Do you have a crush? No, I'm like married. Unless you're thinking like, oh my god, like never ever gonna see, probably Eminem. Oh my gosh. Last time you kissed someone, Maddie. Last time you were insulted. Ooh. One of my parents' friends, like a while ago, and this was probably the first time I've been really insulted in a while. I talked to his daughter all the time, and I'm getting sweaty. Whew. Sorry guys. But yeah, I don't talk to her parents at all anymore, but I talk to her on Facebook and whatnot all the time. I used to talk to her all the time, and she was always kind of in a bad place. But the last time I got insulted was I wrote something on a picture of hers where she was crying because, you know, I guess her dad wasn't going to stop by or something. And I was like, you know what, don't worry about it. It's not that big of a deal. You know, they'll come around when, you know, when they're ready, blah, blah, blah. And he replied back, keep your ugly mug out of it. Something really messed up. But that's the way some people can be. Anyways... favorite flavor of sweet. Strawberry. Last time you kissed someone, Maddie. What instruments do you play? None. Maybe piano a little bit. Favorite piece of jewelry? Ooh. This right here is like favorite of the month. It's just this little silver chain with a dolphin on it. This has been cute for a while. Last song you sang. Oh, it was one by Snoop Dogg. Last sport you played. Running is a sport, maybe. The favorite chat upline. What in the heck is that? Like if you're talking like chat sites, I used to love Omega and all those like switch sites where you can talk to someone every like 2 seconds. That was kind of cool. Have you ever used it? Yeah, like the chat line. Last time you hung out with anyone? Ooh, I hang out with my grandma and my dad a lot. I don't have a whole ton of friends. The town that I live in, you don't know a whole lot of people. It's a very small town. Who should answer these questions next? Ooh, last one. Oh, how much time do we have? 2 minutes! I did it. I should have stayed a little bit more time. It's actually, I still have 3 minutes left, 2:49. But anyway, I did answer all the questions, and I am going to actually I'm going to link her name below. Her name's Carrie. She's one of my subscribers. Hey Carrie, if I can't remember, if you want to do a video, I know you have an account. I don't know if you do videos, but there you go, girl. I tagged you for this video. Or do it on Instagram. Do an Instagram post. You know, like answer the questions. That would be cool. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I am sweating, but I kind of like the dewiness. The only thing I don't like is right here. You see how like, oh, but I loved this makeup today. It was so pretty. But yeah, I am also going to do another video right after this, and it's actually going to be why I am not going to be buying any more colorful highlighting palettes. And it's going to be a bit of a dramatic video. So yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe for that, and make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it and all that good stuff. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and I hope this was kind of like a fun little video, you know, a short one that I can edit and get up to you guys, and hopefully my YouTube videos will upload faster. I've had some issues lately with them lasting like literally 2 days to upload, you know, a 15-minute video. So I'm sorry if they've been like a little far between, but it always throws me right off, and I try to re-upload it and it hasn't been working, and I updated my computer and everything, and it's just like a problem. But anyway, guys, thank you so much, and I love you guys so much, and have a good day, night, evening, whatever. Mwah, bye.